Hello friends, my name is Vickie Maris. I really appreciate that you have stopped by the website. I am an online course designer, a digital content strategist, and a podcaster. I have two shows, Heart Song Fit, where I talk about how we can deal with the stresses in life in healthy ways and have some interesting interviews with people that I like to call everyday heroes. In my second podcast, Online Course Connections, I bring to you interviews and also some solo shows about techniques and tools and ways you can innovate as an online course designer. And if you are not an online course designer, but you would like to have an online course out of content that you have already created, you will find several topics, themes, and people I interview in the podcast that will be helpful on that journey. I also interview e-learners in my show. So about every fourth or fifth episode, I talk to e-learners and what kind of experiences they have in the courses that they have taken. Might be an online workshop, seminar, webinar, might be a full semester course. It could be a whole program, maybe a graduate program. I think as course designers, we can learn a lot when we listen to the feedback of our learners who are in the courses. And I'm sure you do that already if you're doing surveys or evaluations, but boy, is it interesting to hear it firsthand as they're speaking on the podcast in their interview. I do hope you'll subscribe to the shows, and if you're interested in having a strategy session with me, I'd be happy to look at the outline for your course or one of your modules if you'd like some feedback, and you'll see here on the site how you can connect with me for that type of work. I look forward to working with you in the future and having you join my family of podcast listeners. You can find me in my blog here on the website. You can find me at VJ Maris out on Facebook. So if you'd like to join my page out there on Facebook, VJ Maris. And I'm Vickie Maris in Twitter and Instagram and Snapchat. And I really love interacting out on Twitter and doing Twitter chats. So if you are also active on Twitter, please join me out there. Thanks again for stopping by, and I look forward to interacting with you in the future.